Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Kalaksh. Today's video is all about making of DIY calendars. So make your own personalized calendars. Here I made a simple and elegant calendar for my own which is very perfect for my room. So without further delays, let's get started. Here I am taking my sketchbook and some brush pens. You can see which brush pens I am using. You can use another one also. And this is the other one. You can use any of them or some other brand also. Now I have already drawn very lightly on my drawing book, on my sketchbook. So now I will be drawing over it. Now I am using the black brush pen. I will start with the name of the month. As this calendar will be for the monthly basis use. So the upcoming month is July and I am going to do it for July. Write the month's name beautifully. Just keep it very simple, not so smudgy. Now I am using a black pen of 1 mm point for further details. We will start with the dates with days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. You can see how I am writing these details. So keep adding the dates according to the days. So we will further start with the days calendar. So this is the palette where I'll be doing for Mondays like this, and count from the side by's calendar how many Mondays are there, which shows 4 Mondays. So we'll write 4 over the side. Here I have a green paint in my room which connects to the balcony which is full of indoor plants. So the theme of my calendar is green plants. I'll be using small planters by the side of the day's calendar like this as shown in the Monday portion. I'll keep on changing the planters. So we'll do the same process for the other days also and keep on counting the number of days. Make sure you don't make mistakes regarding the number of days coming, cause this could ruin your further upcoming schedules. We will keep on doing the same process for the other days also, like this. You can change the planters of your choices. So here we complete our drawing portions. Keep in mind you can change the planters according to you. It's not compulsory to draw these planters only. I use the planters which I like. Now we will add some colors to our calendar to make it more beautiful and appealing. So starting with highlighting the Sundays, which are the favorite days of everyone, cause we have time for other activities too. And further highlighting the number of days like Monday 4, Tuesday 4 and so on. Now I will start adding the colors to the leaf. I will use green colors like dark green, light green and all that. Also add some yellows to the leaves to make them more appealing. Add some dark green colors also. So keep on changing the green shades. So it is completed. Now give some final touches to the calendar. Now add on some boundaries to the planters and sketch them up for highlighting them. We have completed this calendar without much efforts and beautifully. I'm sure you people must have liked this video regarding the calendars. Here's the final view. See how beautiful it is looking. As I have used the middle page of the sketchbook, you can take it off and stick anywhere in the room. It will look beautiful. And if you like this video, please thumbs up over the like button there. Thank you and keep watching us.